Today in class physics, students, you are already prepared and taking to the class. Our topic is electric charge. As you know, charge is positive and negative. That is invented by American scientist Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin at first produced their hypothesis about the charges. Here the charges is plus and minus, that is positive and negative, based on the subatomic particles, that is proton, electron and neutron. According to the Benjamin Franklin, it is the charge, it is the basic properties of electron, proton and subatomic particles that caused a force in the electromagnetic field. These particles, proton, neutron and electrons, especially proton and electrons, induced and create a force one to another, one object to another object. Hence, electric charge is the properties by which electric force is induced. ये इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज एक ऐसे प्रॉपर्टीज है किसी भी सब्सटेंस के, किसी भी पार्टिकल्स के, दैट caused a force, electric force, and induce an electric force. So we come to know about proton has positive charge where electrons has a negative charge and neutron is chargeless. According to Benjamin Franklin, similar charges, proton and protons, repelled each other, where similar electrons to electrons also repel to each other. But when charges are dissimilar, that caused an electric force between the two particles of attraction. Positive particles emit from one pole if that is p pole and q pole. When it gradually forwarded to the negative pole, then an electric attractive force is created to the from P to Q. Here it introduced about the line of forces, line of electric current from the positive pole to negative pole. Clear? And the charge, electric charge, is denoted by a small q or the capital Q. The SI unit of electric charge is Coulomb. SI unit of EC equal to Coulomb, that is denoted by C. That is denoted by C. Hence, their dimension will be 80 ampere second. So, as you here study the emitting of plus particles to the negative particles and always the plus particles is surrounded by the negative particles or negative charge, then we say in a circular path or in a sphere there is no direction is mentioned. Hence, electric EC is a scalar physical quantity. As you study about the dimension and EC of SI unit and their indication in the beginning classes, that is from 6, 7, 8, 9 and further go ahead. Now finally we can derive the static and a short definition of electric charge, that is per second flows of electrons across a section area of a conductor is called charge. Again repeated here, the definition, shortcut definition of electric charge is per second flows of electrons across a cross section area of a conductor is called charge. The magnitude of charge per second through the conductor is about, here as per definition of charges, we have study about the definition and their some properties. Similar charges has the repulsion, whereas dissimilar charges has attraction. So the fundamental particles or subatomic particles, that is proton and electrons, induced an electric force to each other. Therefore magnitude of charge per second through the conductor is NE. you have write it magnitude of charges per second through the conductor. Through the conductor is Ne, where we know about electric current equal to Ne. Therefore, I equal to Ne, or E equal to I upon N. Where E is the charge of electron, E is charge of electron, so E equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Minus 19 coulomb. Or I equal to Ne. I equal to Ne. Therefore, the magnitude of I is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere, AMP. This is remember, this is also remember for the long application for a student. Some related questions with electric charges that can be follow and solve it. Many of questions are present in your academic book, many of help book, and some competitive examination. So a student must aware to remember that 3 point for the solving accurate the questions. Questions related with electric charge is how many numbers of electrons in 1 microampere current. This is the questions. We have question number 1. We have I equal to 10 to the power 6 ampere. Electronic charge means charge of electrons. E equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So according to definition, we have, according to definition, we have I equal to NE, I equal to NE, therefore N equal to I upon E. Question, remember the questions. Question stated that how many number of electrons in 1 microampere of current, कि 1 माइक्रोएम्पियर करंट में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की संख्या होता है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो हियर वी पुट दिस वैल्यू एंड दिस वैल्यू, hence n equal to 10 to the power minus 6 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. It is the value of I and E is placed here, clear, no doubt about it. So if we calculate this, then 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power, this minus power go up to become positive upon 1.6. Here n equal to 1 upon 16, 1.6, that we write 16, that is into 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 19. Divide 1 by 16, that is 0.0625 into here is the charges, here is 1, then 10 to the power 1 minus 6 plus 19, or n equal to 0.0625 into 10 to the power 20 minus 6, that is 14. 14 n equal to, if we take these from 2 zeros from the 10 to the power 14, then it can be written 6.25 into 10 to the power 14 minus 2, hence n equal to 6.25 and 10 to the power 12 electrons. In 1 microampere of current, the number of electrons is 6.023 and 10 to the power 12 electrons. This is your number of electrons present in 1 microampere electric current. Now the second questions, that is also related with the same topic, that is here is given, that stated our problem is if in a similar cross section area of a conductor, 3 coulomb charges is flow through them. Find the power of the current. क्वेश्चन का कहना है कि अगर किसी कंडक्टर से होकर 3 कूलम्ब की चार्ज फ्लो कर रही है तो उसके करंट की शक्ति क्या है, पावर ऑफ द करंट, करंट की शक्ति क्या है, उस शक्ति को फाइंड करने के लिए हम चलते हैं कि जब किसी कंडक्टर से होकर सपोज AB is the conductor from which Q, their value is 3 coulomb, is passing through them, then the capacity power of the conductor of current will be what? इसके करंट की शक्ति क्या होगी जब किसी कंडक्टर से Q कूलम्ब की चार्ज, दैट इज आवेश चार्ज, एक सिरे से दूसरे सिरे तक बहती हो, तब एक सिरे से दूसरे सिरे तक बहती हो. Before going to solve, we have declared that 60 second equal to 1 minute. As you know, here we write in 60 second, that is 1 minute, 3 coulomb of charges flow. Therefore, in the conductor, if flow of current in 1 second, then it will be 3C upon 60 second, that is 1 upon 20 coulomb per second. That can be written in another word, 0.05 coulomb per second. That is the value of power of current that passing through terminal 1 to terminal A to terminal B when the charges is applying 3 coulomb for the 1 minute, that is 1 second. 1 second. Question again, listen carefully. कहता है कि किसी कंडक्टर से होकर अगर 1 मिनट में 3 कूलम्ब की इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट इज द चार्जेस, पास करती है तो उस कंडक्टर में बहने वाले इलेक्ट्रिक करंट की मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होगी. दैट इज 1/20 कूलम्ब पर सेकेंड, 0.05 coulomb per second. Today the class of online in respect to the youngers, in respect to the competitive students, in respect to the academic students are very useful to solving exactly the question based on electric charge. Next day I am coming to meet you by the topic electric current. So goodbye. Okay, thanks.